Hello everyone, this is Jessie from Eternal Lighting. Today I will tell you how to install solar light with camera. First, connect the light with the LAN end. And then these two cables through the hole. Connect the solar panel with this cable. And this cable connect the camera. Then fix the camera on the LAN end. Use this screw.
Please configure the network.
Okay, now we have fixed the camera on the LAN end. Now let's connect the camera to our app here. First, we need to add the camera.
After the device is powered on and you hear a voice prompt from the device, scan the QR code on the body of the device.
And then scan this code.
Please turn on the power. Turn on the camera.
Now, turn on the camera here.
Press and hold the reset button until the camera beeps.
Then connect the Wi-Fi by the phone. Waiting the connecting.
Wireless settings, please wait. The wireless connection is successful.
Okay, now it's successful. So now we can see the camera. If you're interested in this model, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.